Hello, everybody. This is Kostas, and following my article to this video, I'm gonna show you exactly all the steps that I used to create a website very fast, and how easy it is using WordPress.com. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna connect my Google account with the platform, and straight away I'm gonna be connected to the main platform and to the main dashboard. Okay, everything is amazing and very fast, and as you can see, we got the whole interface almost like a normal WordPress site, but we got very high speed, we got some extra features, and we got a walkthrough to create our site very fast and easily. Okay, so let's move on. First thing first, WordPress.com asks you if you want to choose a plan. Okay, just to have a plan and be able to use even the hosting of WordPress.com. That means that you're gonna keep having this fast website and be able to use the 6 gigabyte storage. Okay, you can even try with a free account. Okay, you can even have a free account that it's gonna give you 1 gigabyte of storage, and as you can see, you got the premium, the business, the commerce, and the enterprise. The point is to make it clear, if you pay in a monthly base, then you see that you have higher fees. Okay, if you decide to pay yearly, you get a 55% off to every one of those packages. So to each one of those packages, let me show you. If you select pay yearly, you see that the premium, it becomes very low. It becomes €8 per month, in fact, and the business, it becomes €25 per month, and the commerce goes to 45, and the enterprise, it's something different because it got a lot other features. I'm gonna explain, and here you can see that you can always start with a free account. You can use the 1 gigabyte to create your own website and keep it like that in case you are to 1 gigabyte. But having the next packet, you get the 13 gigabyte. It gives you even more gigabytes because you select the yearly package. Because let me show you, if you go to monthly, you got 13 gigabytes over here to the premium, and business, e-commerce. In fact, here I got the personal. You can even have the personal, because the personal is 6 gigabyte, and when you select the yearly, it becomes only €4 the personal, that you got 6 gigabyte. Okay, and all the other features that you're gonna see while I'm building my website. Okay, let's move on. Of course, you can always move on with 2 years plan, and that's gonna give you a lot of it's gonna give you, in fact, a big discount, and you're gonna be able to use all the features that WordPress.com provides you. And as you can see, the price gets really lower, and if you select the 3 years, it's gonna be even lower, because you are almost to 70% cut off. In fact, it's gonna be 69% off, and as you can see, it gets lower than €3 per month if you go with the personal plan. Okay, so uh, in fact, if you are to the free one, your visitors are gonna see a lot of ads. That's the only issue that you're gonna have there. But you have the ability to test it and see what you get over there, and you're gonna be able to install the plugins you want and test anything you want with the free account. To the premium, you're gonna get all the premium themes. You got access to all the premium themes. You can create a site with a guided website builder, so you go step by step building your website, and those are things that you get even to the personal. You got the free support. You can extend your site with WordPress plugins. You can install extra plugins, but to the business, you get even the plugins. You extend your site with WordPress plugins. You get email marketing. You get the free advertising credits with $200. You're gonna be able to advertise to AdWords. You get SSL, SFTP. You get, in fact, okay, SSL. All of the websites get, even if you use the free account. But the point is that you get SSH, that you're gonna be able to use the command prompt interfering with your website. Okay. You get, in fact, even the extra gigabytes. And as you can see, the next packet is the commerce, that you again, you don't have any ads for your visitors. You can use the video press with 250 gigabytes, as you can see in the package. You got the email marketing, free advertising, again, the SSH, and the premium store themes. You get even better premium store themes that you're gonna see how easily I'm gonna be able to change them and test the themes. And in fact, the next one that it's the most expensive, and you know, very important companies are using. It's the one that it starts from $25,000 annually. But this is something special, maybe not something that you need. I just showcase. If you click to learn more, you're gonna see that it's the VIP, and it's the one that you're gonna be able to test it probably. And in case you run a big company, you can easily check it. It has the best security. It's flexible to use easily all the tools of the WordPress, and it gives you a very fast way to move on. But okay, that's the VIP, and it's the special package, as you see. But all the other packages are really affordable to any project that you are about to start. Trust me, that's really a valuable offer, and you get really value for this low cost. Okay, let's move on. Okay, to close this part of the plans, I want to to point that each one of those packages is made for any one of you, no matter what is your project all about. But you have to be careful to see what you need. You can easily start with the personal, or you can start with the free, of course, and then move on with the personal. And as you see that your needs uh, are getting more and more, and you want to go to the premium, you can go to the premium. You're gonna see that the most important part is that to the paid plans, your visitors are not gonna see any ads. And as you can see, you got the guided website builder. Okay, you got the premium store themes, you got the free support, and okay, to business and commerce, of course, to the enterprise, you get the 24/7 priority expert support. You get the ability to extend your site with a lot of plugins, and in fact, there are it's limitless where you can get your website with all these plugins about WordPress, and you get the premium stats and analytics. You're able to use the add payment buttons. You can use the Video Express with it gives you 250 gigabytes dedicated storage. That's very important because you use your own player, and you use your own storage to add your videos, and that's really interesting if you create a website and you want to sell courses, or to provide your courses using the WooCommerce. Okay, to the to the package that it's the WooCommerce package, you're gonna see that you have even the e-commerce tools and WooCommerce experience, and you can sell in 60 plus countries. Each one of those packages is you know it's just for exactly what you need, and as you scale you can go even higher, and you can use the features that each packet provides. But trust me, the price is so low, and the value is really great. Now, as you can see, I use the personal package, and okay, the monthly one, that it's €9 per month, and testing and showcasing the whole platform. And as you can see, I can visit my site over here, and it's really okay. Let's close this one. I'm gonna close this one again just to show you. When you click and visit your site, it loads so fast. Okay, we got nothing over here, but we're gonna build a website. Okay, and you see that you got a really fast hosting too, that we're gonna see to a next video, and we're gonna focus on this site too, and I'm gonna give you even some metrics. Just I wanted to show you and showcase all the packages that we got inside our WordPress.com platform. And as you can see, I am straight to the WordPress that it's provided straightly from the platform, as you can as you start a package. Let me show you. I can navigate straight to my WordPress account, and over here I can see my profile. I can see the public web address that I decided to use. I can add something about me. I can change my picture here. I got the security tab, you see. Over here I can change the password. I can use the 2 steps authentication. Everything is so straightforward and easy to navigate and use. I can connect apps. I can use the Telegram bot alpha. I can use it for connected with WordPress.com, and manage my site from Telegram. Okay, I have the social logins. Over here you see that we got privacy, and here we got the developer features that if you're a developer, you can connect your website with a GitHub, and use the Telegram bot that we saw before, and use the WordPress Studio, that it's a fast, free way to develop locally with WordPress. Okay, you can in fact download WordPress.com to your desktop and start creating straight from your desktop. Over here you're gonna see to AI and MCP. We got you can control how AI assistant interact with your WordPress.com account and sites, and here you can use the assistant so that it can help you with everything. Okay, the AI assistant, it's usually it's really helpful with people that don't are not familiar with WordPress, and they need help to each step they make, and it's really helpful that it's gonna give you the ability to create what you are thinking in a very small time. Okay, it's gonna a small period of time. It's gonna get you some just a while to figure everything out. Over here, it's you can manage the blog. It's the one that I started this website, and I can select the themes. We're gonna see that how easily we can change the themes, but we're gonna see that to a next video, and I'm gonna create even an article about that. And over here you see the plugins that you can easily add your plugins to your WordPress.com website. And of course you can see here that we got the way to select each one of those plugins with a normal categorizing from the top, and we can straight install any of those plugins straight to our blog or to our website. Okay, a lot of them are free, but some of them we have to pay, and sometimes it needs a subscription too. Okay, so trust me, most of them that I'm gonna show you even to another video and the next article, how easily we're gonna create a website with free plugins, and not the need to pay any of those that you see inside here. But in case you need something that it's advanced, okay, you can easily pay and use it. Okay, and if we move on, you're gonna see that we got the notification settings tab that you can select, and what notifications you want to get from your WordPress.com account. You can block sites will not appear in your reader and will not be recommended to you. Okay, you haven't blocked any sites yet. That's in case you want to block sites. But over here to apps, you're gonna be able to download the WordPress.com desktop app to your desktop and use it straight from your Windows desktop. And over here you're gonna see that you have the Windows WordPress Studio, a fast free way to develop locally with WordPress. Share your local sites with clients or colleagues, and keep your local development process smooth and simple. In fact, it communicates with WordPress.com, and any changes that you make locally you can deploy to your website. You can see we got the mobile Jetpack mobile app for WordPress. That's an easy way to use your WordPress.com from your mobile and be able to use all the features, or even upload posts, create, and again synchronize your app with your WordPress.com. Okay. And that was the whole walkthrough through around the platform, and we checked. We saw all the packages. We saw everything that we get when and all the plans, and all those discounts that you get when you select a yearly or 2 years plan package. And we just navigated to the whole platform. Okay, to the next videos we're gonna see exactly how we can easily create a website or even a portfolio. I'm gonna show both and show you some extra tips. Okay, so stay tuned, and I will see you to the next video. Bye bye.